think I already saw Chelsea. Asan na ba? Parang naka-white and naka-pants si Chelsea. And ayun nakita ko na. Merong gorgeous blonde girl. Ayan na mga ka-crown. The arrival of the reigning Miss Universe here in Manila.
You're here.
There, Victoria and Chelsea.
Thank you for the 2025 viewers.
31 na. Ay, makaharap na yan.
Welcome! Hi! Welcome! Alright, Chelsea! Victoria, hi! Job, it's just me, Job! Victoria, Chelsea! Nice! Photo! Very good. Nice. Bye. Barbie!
Victoria, how was your flight?
It was good. I come directly from Tokyo. A relaxing 5-hour flight, and I'm super happy to be here in the Philippines back again. Here is the absolute best people I can give. I'm just happy to be back here.
Alright. Welcome to the Philippines. Chelsea. Sorry. Okay. Welcome back, Chelsea.
Chelsea, see you tomorrow. Welcome back.
Bye! Ate El, saan tayo?
We're still at 3 more people.
Napakabilis naman. Napakabilis na.
Bukas may press conference.
Yeah, that's fine.
Sir, yung sa kabila wala na?
Ay, nakatagyan natin sila. May other time. I'm just... At least nakita pa tayo. Oh, yan, kumakawin pa tayo. Ang ganda niyo, baklo. Apaka-Barbie. Ito yung pagkakita mo na in person, masasabi mo talaga, kaya ko na nanalo. Just from
Chelsea!
Thank you so much. See ya.
Oo, sino ko yan yan? Bukas ko siya. Me, ako kaganda niyo. Ayun na yun.
And they're now set to depart for their
Thank you so
hotel.
much for watching.
And,
Yun na yun, ni. Kami magpapahal. Kasi naakit kami. Yun na yun. Ganun lang talaga ni. Kasi may response. Sobrang sabi ko na.
Buti na lang nakapagtanong tayo ng konti.